Hey guys, welcome back to the Man Cave with Big Kev. Thank you very much for tuning in. This episode is going to be about one of my old work colleagues that I used to work with in security, Michael. You know who you are. He made himself a CNC router, and after he departed, he decided that he wanted to make me a little something for the Man Cave. He's one of my subscribers as well. So he decided to make me this plaque, this awesome plaque. The Man Cave, My Cave, My Rules. Now I've been looking for a really nice board or a nice piece of wood that I could fix up so that I can put some hooks on it, and it's actually the hooks that I made out at Drew's house at South Down Waters Forge. Go and check out his channel. And all I've got to do now is drill some holes in the hooks, drill some pilot holes in here. I've got about 6 of them that I want to screw on here. And then this is going to go in my room, and I'm going to hang my keys and my vest and a few other things up there just to keep it all tidy. So let's get into the Man Cave and get some work done. Alright guys, so these are the hooks that we're going to be using. These are the ones that I forged out at Drew's house. I'm going to try and pick about 6 consistent ones. There will be one there that's a little bit different because that's going to be for my vest, and I didn't want such a small point for that because I just didn't want it to tear through it. So I modified one to a bit thicker. We'll see how we go with that. So let's get into it.